Oh, hey there. So today I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets plugin. So in Google Sheets, you will be able to create a new spreadsheet, then get the details of those spreadsheet like the data. Then you can add values in the sheet. And then you can update them as well as clear them. So now I'm going to show you how to create a spreadsheet. So here in this demo page, you can see there is a button with plus icon. So if I click on it, it will ask for the name of the spreadsheet. So I'll give sheet 123, and if I click on this icon, it will create a new spreadsheet, as you can see, and it has given me the ID of the spreadsheet here. So if I go to my Google Sheet account, as you can see, there is sheet 123 created here. So I'll show you how I'm using that action. So here in this workflow, this is the workflow where I'm using create spreadsheet action, which asks for token, then the name of the spreadsheet. So yeah, this is how you create a new spreadsheet using Google Sheets plugin. Thank you.